Claim, did FFI select biopic film Swatantra Veer Savarkar as India's official entry to Oscars? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. The official submission of any Indian film for the Oscars has remained a prominent feat for the filmmakers, generating enough speculation around it. This year, a claim has gone viral that the biopic Swatantra Veer Savarkar has been officially selected for submission for the Oscars by the Film Federation of India. The claim reads, the Film Federation of India has selected Swatantra Veer Savarkar as one of the official entries from India for the Oscars 2024. Producers Anand Pandit, Sandeep Singh, Randeep Hooda are overjoyed by this recognition and shared their excitement. Swatantra Veer Savarkar is a film on Hindutva ideologue Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, which was a directorial debut by Randeep Hooda and released on 22 March 2024. Another claim reads, honored and humbled. Our film Swatantra Veer Savarkar has officially been submitted for the Oscars. Thank you Film Federation of India for this remarkable appreciation. This journey has been incredible, and we are immensely grateful to everyone who has supported us along the way. Soon, the claim has been shared on social media and can be accessed here and here. Fact check. Misleading. Swatantra Veer Savarkar was one of the entries submitted to FFI, but Lapta Ladies has been chosen as India's official entry to Oscars. Fact check details. When we checked the news related to the Oscar entry of Swatantra Veer Savarkar, we came across the full list of films submitted to Film Federation of India's call for entries, and it did include the name of Swatantra Veer Savarkar as seen here. However, before the Film Federation announced the official entry on 23 September 2024, false claims have surfaced on social media stating that the film Swatantra Veer Savarkar has been selected for 2024 Oscars. In fact, the selection is for 2025 Oscar nominations and not for 2024, which had been awarded in March 2024. The Film Federation of India, FFI, President Ravi Kotakara had also clarified the makers of Savarkar have given wrong communication. I am going to release a statement about. Soon after his statement, the FFI made the official announcement on 23 September about the selection of Lapta Ladies as the official entry for India's submission to Oscars 2025 in the Best International Feature Film category. Hence, the film directed by Kiran Rao will be India's official entry to Oscars or the 97th Academy Awards ceremony to be held on Sunday, 2 March 2025 at the Dolby Theatre in Hollywood. Oscar rules selection. Under the Oscars Best International Film category, each country can submit only one film and the selection has to be made by an approved organization. For India, the Film Federation of India, FFI, is the officially recognized authority to submit the entry on behalf of India. Apart from this, any filmmaker from anywhere in the world can independently submit a film to the Academy under a private category. But this will not be considered the country's official submission. Hence, Swatantra Veer Savarkar is not India's official entry for the 97th Academy Awards. Claim, the Film Federation of India has selected Swatantra Veer Savarkar as one of the official entries from India for the Oscars. Conclusion, misleading. Swatantra Veer Savarkar was one of the entries submitted to FFI, but Lapta Ladies has been chosen as India's official entry to Oscars. Rating, misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit I India.